Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can easily make a 3D logo like this with Leonardo AI. These types of logos represent professionalism and forward thinking. So they are very in demand at the moment by many tech, gaming, and even fashion brands. To start, you should head over to the Leonardo AI website. Click on the Launch App button and sign in. Once you're signed in, this is what you'll see. Click the image generation option to open up the magic screen. On the right side, you should set things up by selecting the preset options and choose Leonardo Phoenix. It's the only one that can do text for now. Next, go to the Prompt Enhance option and turn it off. Move to Preset Style and select None. I decide to change the dimensions to 16 by 9 for this tutorial, but you can leave everything else as is. Now it's time for the prompt, which says 3D logo with text, Trazon Productions, modern abstract shape on top, futuristic and dynamic vibe, color palette of metallic silver and neon green, accentuated by bold decorative font, evoking a sense of cutting-edge technology against a rich dark gray background, cinematic high-tech. Now click the Generate button. Here are the 4 images it created. These designs usually have a few mistakes, but these ones came out really well. I'm loving this one here, so I'll click the download button to save it. So that's how you can easily create a 3D logo with Leonardo AI. You can always tweak the prompt as needed to get the perfect fit for your brand. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials, please like and share this video. Got questions? Drop a comment below. Until next time, bye!